Welcome to Crash Cases, where every road holds a story waiting to be seen. Behind each frame is a breath, a choice, a heartbeat that changed the course of someone's life. These aren't scenes from a movie, they're moments from reality. Stay close and watch what the road can do. Thrown from his vehicle in a high-speed crash near a Florida Turnpike plaza, the man survived by sheer luck. Speed is unforgiving. Slow down and stay alert.
Get away.
Falling from the sky, a single-engine plane struck a busy highway, sliding toward the barrier, while leaving fuel and fire behind. Stay alert, risk can appear instantly. A street race in Texas ended in a severe highway crash, reminding us how reckless speed risks lives. Choose responsibility. Thrills are never worth the cost. While driving, a nearby manhole cover shot upward with force, narrowly missing our lane. Luck isn't a safety plan. Stay alert for sudden road hazards. Footage shows a shocking crash that destroyed a homeowner's kitchen and backyard. The driver was reportedly under the influence. Never drink and drive. Lives depend on it.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Strong crosswinds flipped a running container truck, showing how sudden gusts threaten even the heaviest vehicles. In storm zones, slow down and stay alert for safety.
No, you can enter. It's a safe. And then, jeez. Oh my god! Oh! Oh my fucking god!
2 cars turned left and the second nearly got hit by a logging truck. Quick braking avoided disaster. Near misses are warnings, stay alert at every turn. To avoid a car cutting in suddenly, a police vehicle veered off and hit a metal barrier. Sudden moves create danger, anticipate, and keep a safe buffer. During tire inflation at a repair shop, a sudden blowout startled everyone, but no one was hurt. Equipment checks matter stay clear and follow safety steps. While avoiding a roadside parked car and preparing to change lanes, a sudden misjudgment caused an unexpected collision. Patience and clear checks keep every lane change safe.
I think it was in the first rest area in Pencil. There was...
I'm good.
What's going on?
Someone just got in a bad accident.
Huh?
Someone just got in a bad accident literally right in front of me.
Ignoring a no overtaking line, a Toyota tried to pass a truck on a curve and hit an oncoming bus head-on. Impatience kills respect road marking. Crashes don't shout, they whisper first. A glance at a message, a missed mirror, a second of trust in the wrong moment. That's all it takes. Drive like every move matters. Stay sharp, stay safe, and let every story be a reminder, not a repeat. Share your thoughts. Below, spread awareness and subscribe for more real moments on crash cases.